Good evening, all. Hello. Good evening. Right, okay. Let's start the lesson now. I think you can remember what we discussed in the last week. So we discussed about 3 R's. 3 R's of recycling, reducing, and anyway, 3 R's of managing e-waste. So that is reuse, reduce, and recycle. Can you hear me all? Hello? Jayindi, Veron, can you hear me? I cannot hear you guys.
Yes.
All right, okay. Last day we discussed about 3 R's of managing e-waste. So the first one was reduce, and the second one was reduce, and the third one was recycle. Reuse, reduce, and recycle. And we learn how to do these things. So especially the recycling in special recycle plants. We learn about that. Today, and I think even after that we learn small topic. So basically that is how to give a strong password to your computer. Can you remember the steps? So in strong password, what are the features that you should include? Yes, what are the things you should include in a strong password? Yes, I need your answer. Rovinu, strong password එක මොනවද තියෙන්න ඕන?
Numbers.
Numbers. Anything else other than numbers?
Alphabets.
Yes. Capital letters, simple letters. Yes. Numbers, special symbols.
Symbols.
Yeah, special symbols. Yes, those are the things that should be actually in the strong password, and you have to make sure that password is lengthier enough. But again, don't assign too much of lengthy passwords like 30, 40 characters passwords. Why? Why not too much? Yes, we learned that as well. Why it is not too good now? Why it is not too? Yes, can you repeat?
Because it would be difficult to remember.
Yes, it will be difficult to remember. Sometimes you need to write down it somewhere, but that is also not a good method to remember the password. So it should be something you can remember, but still it should use these things: alphabetical letters, capital symbols, numbers, and special symbols. So, and it should not be easy to guess password. So that means don't include your telephone number, don't include your name, birthday, because it can be easily guessed. And so one more thing, so I couldn't mention last day, you can include a password hint. What is password hint? What is password
If
hint?
we are writing a name, we could write for the hint name.
Yeah, hint. Yeah, if you are, so that is good example, yes, but don't write the name, right? Because name is not a good password. No, anyway, you can give a hint. Otherwise, so when you forget the password, that hint can be used to remind you what you have typed, right? And another thing, by giving an email address, the password can be restored. There's another method. This is for the restore. In case if you forgot password, so you can give an email to restore the password. Okay, how to give password in Windows? So can you tell me how to give a password in Windows? Anyone who has done it? How you have given passwords in Windows? Yes? Can you remember the method? Okay, so if you cannot remember, you can do this with me. So here I'm shifting to my Windows computer now. So you can see here, I'm shifting to my Windows computer now. But unfortunately, today I have Windows 7 machine. So I think most of you are using Windows 10 machines. Right, in Windows 7 machine, you can right click on the computer and go to manage. You can right click on the computer and go to manage. In Windows 10 computer, you can right click on this PC and go to manage. Hello, are you following me? So can you
Yes, sir.
right click on this PC or computer and go to manage?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Then you will get, so anyway, in Windows 7 or Windows 10, you will get a similar window, looks like this. It's computer management. You got the same window or any difficulty? Then I can help. If you have any difficulty, then I can help. Anyone having issues? Diniru? Hirusha? You got the management wizard or still not?
Sir, I got the management result.
Okay,
I
good.
also got it.
Okay, anyone else? Anyone else need help? Netum, did you get that? Netum? If you need any
Sir,
help, yeah.
sir, can you repeat it? I didn't hear that.
Right. So I just want you to go to the management window. Right. This is not wizard, but anyway, this management window. How to access this management window or management utility is basically right click on the computer and go to manage. Or if you are using Windows 10 machine, right click on this PC and go to manage. So if you cannot see this PC in your desktop, what else? Then what else you can do? If you cannot see this PC, then you have to go to the Explorer. Here,
Sir, in my computer, there is only my computer management.
computer management. Yeah, you have to go there.
Okay, sir.
Right click and manage. Shall we see your screen? Netum, now you can share your screen. Can you share the screen? Now I have
Okay,
stopped
sir.
my screen. Now you can share your screen. Can you share your one, Netum? Can use the
Okay, sir.
green
Just give
color
me a
button.
minute.
Yeah, okay, green color button. Just click on that and click share the desktop. Those who need any help, you can do the same thing. Now you can share Netu. Ara share button එකක් තියෙනවා පල්ලා ඒක click කරන්න කොළ පාට right. Okay. Can see you are sharing now. Okay, yeah, this one. Others, you got this one?
Yes, sir.
Right, good. Then,
Yes, sir.
okay, that's good. Right? So let me show my one too.
Sir, I sent my one in the chat.
Right, I saw that. Good. Right, then, so can you see local users and groups there? Local users and groups. Can you see there? So that is like 1, 2, 3, 4, fourth item under system tools. System tools, the fourth item is local users and groups. Down, down. So little up here. This location, can you see? Local users and groups. This is in the left side of the window. In the computer management, left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, sixth item is local users and groups. Can you click on that?
I clicked it.
Please click it, Netu. Click on the log.
Sir, can you again tell it?
Right. So can you see Netum's screen? Can you see Netum's screen? Netumගේ screen එක පේනවද ඔයගොල්ලන්ට?
Yes, sir.
හරි. ඒකේ වම් අත පැත්තේ, so in the left hand side, so you can see the fourth item is local users and groups. Yeah, that one. Can you click on that, Netum? Just click on here. Yeah. Then, so you can see the users. Just double click on the users then. Just double click on the users. Okay, now you can see the users too. Right, great. Now you can see the users. Now you can see the available users. So administrator, guest, Naveen, and all. Okay.
So in my screen, there are only 4 ones.
Right, that can be, yes. So it depends on the computer, how many users that you have and all, it depends on the computer. Now, right, now you can see, right? So in Naveen's computer, you have 5 users. So if you want to change the password of Naveen, what you can do is, you can right click on Naveen and select set password. Set password, right? And it will ask you to proceed. Please click proceed button, and then you can click, right? Please click, you can give a new password, and you have to confirm the password after giving that. That means same password need to be entered twice, right? Because why this confirmation is given, in case if you have typed something mistakenly, second time you will recognize that. මොනවා හරි mistake එකක් වුණොත් පළවෙනි පාර type කරද්දී දෙවෙනි පාර correct කරගන්න පුළුවන් හින්දා තමයි අපිට confirm password එකක් දෙන්නේ. Okay, now I think you got how to change the password. Now if you really want to change the password, you can enter the new password and confirm it, but don't forget the password, right? When you enter a password, don't forget the password. Now you know how to change a password, right? Okay, I'll show it in my machine too. So here, this is my computer, and I'm going to my Windows computer now. When I go to manage, so I can see computer management. Under that, local users and groups. There under users, I can see the users, right? Under these users, I can see 4 users. If I need to create any new user, I can right click and create a new user. Let's say I want to create a user under my name. I want to create user under my name, which is Dasun. So I'll give username as Dasun, full name Dasun Nilanjana. I can give the description also, so but that is not required. And I can give a password. Let's give a password, simple one. But don't use this kind of one. This is not advisable. I'm using 123, 123, a simple one. But so it should not be given, right? So it's easily guessable password. So you have to give a strong password, and then you can click whether user can change the password. So if you tick this, user will not be able to change the password. If you tick this, user will be able to change the password next time. If you yeah, let's click this, right? Let's create. Okay, now user is created. See, very simple. It's now user is created. Now if I want to log in from that user, I can go and I can, here I can log off, Windows button, then I can log off the user. Now you can see it's log off. Now when I want to log in, now if I want to log in, so I'm again going to log in and double click. So let's say I'm going to use this one now. I'm going to use my IP because I'm not going to log in using my computer. That's why I'm connecting to that computer, right? Don't confuse this step. 168. I'm giving the address of that computer. And then I'm trying to log in. It will ask me the username and password, and username is Dasun and password is 123. And I'm trying to log in, and my computer is confirming that. So now you can see, right? User must change password in the first time because that's what the setting that we have given. Let me click OK. It's asking me the password. I'm going to give a password this time. Let's say 1234 and confirm password 1234. Right? And okay, password changed, and now I can log on. Right? So this user is not allowed to log in from my computer. So I'm going to change the computer back to the previous user, which is, and the password is 123. Oh, password is 1234. Okay, allow me to log in. Okay, so if you need anything else, you can ask. Any help? Anything that you want to know? Okay, so one says you didn't get it. Okay, right click and go to manage. Right, you can also follow me. Right click and go to manage. Again, right click on my computer or this PC and go to manage. Now all of you know that. If anyone don't know, please let me know, then I can help you doing that. හැමෝටම පුළුවන්ද බැරි නම් කියන්න මට. වෙරෝන් පුළුවන්ද? හිරූෂ?
Yes.
Okay.
sir.
Then Sanolya, can you? Sanolya?
Sir.
Okay. Minidu, sorry, Mindinu. Mindinu? Mindinu? Can you log in? Can you go to that place or you need help? Mindinu Lanka?
I can't, sir.
So you are using computer? Mindinu?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm going to help you now. Mindinu, now you can share the screen. What
Okay,
pen? What pen I put button එකක් කොළ පාට button එකක් share screen කියලා. Go to that and select your desktop. දැන් බලන්න ඔයාලට පුළුවන්. ඒ කොළ පාට button එක උඩ click කළා, right? Okay. Now we are sharing the screen. Right. Okay. So you went to the correct place. Right? Now see whether you can see the users. You can't see the users there. Right? That is the problem. So you get this. The reason for this is basically you are not using an administrative account. Then you will not be able to see this user management thing. Or you can just try file. Let's say go to file menu. File menu. File. උඩම තියෙන. File. Options. Options. You are not giving options also. Okay. Just cancel it. Just cancel it. Right click on computer management. No, computer management, the top here, this one. No, not this one, which is down. So just go to the menu item below. Left side one, left side pane එකේ තියෙන අර computer management के system tools කියලා එකක් තියෙන. system tools තියෙන තැන අන්න එතන නෙවෙයි අනිත් පැත්තේ. Left side අනිත් පැත්තේ. System tools කියන එකේ right click කරන්න පුතේ. Right. Right click. හරි ඒත් ඔයාලට user management එන්නේ නැහැ. Computer management එකේ right click කරන්න ඊට පොඩ්ඩක් උඩින් තියෙන. All tasks යන්න. All tasks. ඒත් එන්නේ නැහැ නේද? හරි. මේ පැත්තෙන් අර more actions කියලා තියෙන එකට යන්න බලන්න දකුණු අත පැත්තේ. මම හිතන්නේ ඔයගේ account එකේ ප්‍රශ්නයක් තියෙන්නේ. හරි. Right, okay. So let me check this. Windows එකයි run එකයි ඔබන්න. Windows එකයි run එකයි press කරන්න. Windows and run. Windows and R. Sorry, Windows and R. Windows key එකයි R key එකයි. එක සැරේ press කරන්න. Windows key and R key. Windows key එක දාන්න ඕනේද keyboard එකේ. Keyboard එකේ Windows key එකත් එක්ක R අකුර press කරන්න. Please press that
I
one.
press a button, did not work.
You prayed. So it should work. Seems keyboard. Okay, go to Windows menu. Windows, click on the Windows menu. Now search run, RUN, run. Search run. Okay, now you get the run app. So dialog box, which one? Click on that one. And then type CMD and press enter. CMD. CMMD, enter. Okay. Then there, please type net, NET, space, user. Enter, press enter. Okay, so then please click allow. Please click allow there. Okay, this utility is anyway blocking you, this 360 security. So which user account you used to log in? Is it that Manoji, that account? Manoj? Oh, Manoji, that account? Which account you
Yes,
used? You used to log in. Okay, so the reason that you are not getting this is, I think, you have some utilities blocking that. But anyway, you can use this method. Others also can use the second method. Second method is please press Windows key and R key. Windows key and R key. I'll show in the my screen. I'll show this in my screen, right? What you have to do, you have to press Windows key and R key. Then you will get this one. Every one of you get in?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then press CMD, type CMD and press enter.
Sir, in my computer, there is known as a WinWord.
Sorry?
A WinWord.
Yeah, erase that. Please erase that.
Sir,
Yes.
What do we
sir,
need to
Okay, you can ask.
sir, I even when like you told to go in the run and go, but sir, I wrote CMD, then enter, but I did not get anything.
CMD,
I got-
okay. CMD, here see.
Yes,
C-
sir. I typed CMD and I entered it. Then I got like the black one. And I wrote net and user. Then when I entered it, I didn't get the allow one.
Net user. Yeah, you didn't get that because normally it will not display. Right? So the case is that he's using some utility software. That software is blocking him. That's the reason that he couldn't see that. 360 security කියලා එකක් දාගෙන ඉන්නෝනේ. එකෙන් එක block වෙනවා. ඒක තමයි ප්‍රශ්නේ. So that's the issue.
Okay, sir.
So normally you won't get that issue, right? Because in your computer and my computer we don't have that. So please press type CMD and click OK. CMD type කළා OK කරන්නකෝ හැමෝම මේකේ run එකේ. Windows එකයි R එකයි press කරාම එක සැරේ keyboard එකේ මේ විදිහට press කරන්න ඕන පුතේ. හරි. මම පෙන්නන්න I'll show this because you all are silent. I don't know whether you are doing it or not. That's why. So you have to press this Windows key, this key and R key together. This one and R key together. Then you will get this one, the run dialog box. In the run dialog box, you have to type CMD. When you press Windows R, you will get run dialog. There you have to type CMD and press OK. Then you will get this black color window. All of you got it?
Yes, sir.
Right. Then type net space user. Then type net space user. Then also you will see the users in your computer. Then also you will see the users in your computer.
Sir, do we need to enter it?
Yeah, enter it. Please enter it. Then also you will see these users. Then if you need to change the password of any user, you can type like this. Let's say I want to change the password of Dasun. Then I can type net user Dasun and asterisk. Net space user space Dasun, the username and the asterisk. Then it's asking a password. I'll type a password, but you will not see that, right? Type karada kana pain now. Type in 1, 2, 3. Again 1, 2, 3. You can see I got an error. Check whether you are getting the same error. Please type 1, 2, 3. Later you can change, right? So later you can give a strong password.
Where do we need to type 1, 2, 3?
So when you type net user Dasun, don't type Dasun, net user, your username, whatever you can see here, Dasun, no Netumo, whatever. Net user Dasun asterisk. Then press enter. Then it's asking type a password. There you type 1, 2, 3. එක type වෙන්නේ නැහැ. කමන්න නැහැ. එහෙම type කරන්න. Then press enter. Again it will ask 1, 2, 3. ඒකත් type වෙනවා පෙන්නන්නේ නැහැ. Don't worry. Press enter. Then you will get this kind of thing.
So it says access is denied.
Yes, access is denied because you are not allowed to change password again. You were allowed to change password using that one, but not using command prompt. But you can change. How? So don't run command prompt in a usual way. Instead of that, okay, now close this because it's gone.
So if the password is changed to 1, 2, 3.
So you got this one or anything else?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
If you got this one, it's not changed, right? Don't worry, it's not changed. If you got
Okay.
access is denied, it's not changed. System error 5 occurred, access denied, not changed, right? So let me show you how to change this then. Close this now. Right. Now just type the Windows key. Just type the Windows key only and you will get this one. Then search for CMD. Then search for CMD. Now you can see CMD is there. Don't click it. Just right click and run as administrator. Right click and run as administrator. Okay.
How do we do that?
You need steps again.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so what you have to do, first listen carefully, otherwise you will miss the steps, right? Press Windows button and search for CMD. Search for CMD. Don't press Windows Run, Windows R. Instead of that, press Windows button and then type CMD. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now you got this command prompt app, CMD one.
Yes.
Okay, right click on that and run as administrator. Just right click and run as administrator. Then it's asking, are you sure you want to run? Do you want to? Yes. You want to run? Yes. Press yes. And it will now run as administrator. Now you can type the same command, net user, to see all the users. Now you can type net user Dasun asterisk. Then type the password 1, 2, 3. Then type the password 1, 2, 3 again and press enter. Now you can see command completed successfully. Means your password has changed. Okay. So there are two ways to change the passwords. Not two ways, there are many other ways. So main, there are two methods. So other than that, you can go to the control panel and users, and then also you can change the password. That is the third method. Okay, confirm whether you got the same result. Or if you get any error, please let me know, then we can help. You all are silent. Why? Are you getting, you have done it, or you need any help? Suhara, did you completed that?
Sir, after typing net user and I entered it, then the same thing user account.
Yeah, you have to
like
just, that 361 you have to allow that. Otherwise, it won't let you run.
Sir, I couldn't go with you.
Right, I'll now can you share the screen then? Suhara, please share your screen, then I'll tell you what to do. Others,
Sir,
others can follow.
do I have to share my screen to the desktop?
Desktop. Others can follow. Others can follow. Right, please share quickly. Okay. Now we are getting your screen. Seems it's loading. Still loading. Okay, got it. So please press Windows button. First press Windows button. Cannot see. Have you shared the desktop or any other window? I think you have just shared
Sir,
Windows.
I cannot share share the desktop.
Why? What it says?
No, sir. When I'm sharing it, it only lets me to share a window.
Then how can I assist? Again a problem because I cannot see your, when you're pressing that, I cannot see that, that's why. Okay, again follow my screen then. Otherwise I can't assist you, right? So you have to share the desktop, please. Okay, now you can see this is my, just press Windows button and search CMD. This is the step number 1. Step number 2, right click on CMD and run as administrator. I think everybody did that. Finish.
I cannot did.
Yeah, it's asking a confirmation. Just click yes. Then that
No,
will.
sir, in my computer, it's not typing in the search bar.
So may I know what is what is the computer that you are using? Windows 7 or 10?
Windows 10, sir.
So you have the Cortana search bar, no? Can't you type there?
No, sir, it's not typing.
So what it says?
It says nothing.
It cannot be, right? Can you again share the screen then, Hirusha? So, but this time if you share the desktop, right? Otherwise, I can't help. Otherwise, like we are just rolling in the same same one, doing the same.
Yeah, even I can't do it.
Why again? Same thing. Okay, Hirusha.
Yes, sir.
Type there. Ask me anything. Okay, type karan. Go there and type. Ask me anything. Go there to ask me anything. That one.
Sir, I am typing now.
But not typing.
It's not typing.
Okay. Can you type in the press Windows button? Windows button ke press karan. Windows button ke press karan.
I press, but it's not opening. The start menu is not opening.
Is it so? How can I help then? So earlier it was opening, no?
Yes, sir.
Oh, why is that? Then, okay. Then can you go to this PC? Just go to this PC. හරි ඒකේ ඒ අනිත් අයත් දැන් එහෙම යන්න බැරි කට්ටිය මේ විදිහට කරන්න C එකට යන්න just go to the C drive there please go to the Windows folder okay there please search CMD එකට යන්න just type CMD click on any folder and type CMD okay, you cannot see that. So please go to the System 32 folder. There's a folder called System 32. Type it SYS, then it will go, right? Okay, here you can see System 32. Right. There, please click on any folder. Then type CMD. No. You have to type continuously, CMD, quickly, CMD. Oh, here, you had that. Why you are changing? So you are going back. Why you are going back? Please go forward. Hirusha, listen. Now you can see CMD here, right? So it's inside C, Windows, System 32. Right click that and run as administrator. Run as administrator, the second one. Click yes and it will run. Okay. Now type net space user. I think you have not done, actually you have not watched the things that I have done. That's why you cannot remember the spellings. Enter. Press enter key. Okay, now type net space user space Hirusha space asterisk. Net space user space Hirusha space asterisk. Enter. 1 2 3 and enter. 1 2 3 and enter again. Okay, system is not okay. Right, it seems that your account is not giving the privileges. You have to create a new account and try this. So you can create a new account from there. You know how to create a new account. So you can go to the previous utility and create a new.
Can I close the command prompt?
Yeah, you can close the command prompt and you can go to the previous one and create a new user. Right click manage and you can create a new user and do this. Right? Okay, in the users, under users, you can go to the right click and create a new user. New user in the top. And you can create a user and do this. Right, okay. So now you know two methods of doing that, creating users. So you can't create a same user again. You have to use a different name. Maybe